Hey my royal fam, it's your girl Queen D here and I am back with another video. How you doing? How you been? I hope life has been treating you well. You've been taking care of your mental and handling your business, okay? And that at the end of the day, you've been taking care of yourself because that's what matters. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Queen D. It's Royal Fam is what I call my supporters and my subscribers, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal fam because we lit over here and everybody needs a little family in their life, okay? I hope you're doing well as well. I hope you've been taking care of yourself and everything's been going good. I hope July ended well and that September is off to a great start. I cannot believe we are already in September, y'all. Like, we're already in September. 4 more months until the year's over. Like, after this one. So, technically, 5. Like, that's crazy. Time just flies. Like, I can't believe it. But anyway, into the video. This is going to be a video featuring Sojourner. Formerly known as Sojourner bag. So we'll get into all of that. So if you're interested in hearing about Sojourner, okay, and what they have to offer and everything, then keep on watching, y'all. Okay. Okay, so if you are unfamiliar with Sojourner, they are a festival-based brand. They sell all your festival needs from headbands to fanny packs to accessories like jewels and stuff. They got you. And you might have heard of them before. They're formerly known as Sojourner bags because the fanny packs are on point and popping, but now they're just rebranding and it's just Sojourner now. So they reached out to me last month and they were like, we want to collab with you. So thank you for reaching out because your girl, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. So they were nice enough to let me pick some headbands that are like versatile, so they can either be headbands or the little face mask things depending on how you want to wear them. So I do have on one right now. I put on the one that had a little bit of orange in it because I'm wearing orange today. So they're like they're bandanas. That's what they're called on their site or Amazon. When you go to look for them, they're called bandanas. That's all in the back of the video. I hope you understand. They're called bandanas. So, yes. So, I'm trying to tell you a little bit about them. So, they sell fanny packs, they sell glitter packs, hydration packs, bandanas, little glasses, little fans so you can get your life right and everything. They just got a lot of great stuff. Sojourner bags. Sojourner is awesome. Like, they've been around for a very long time. I remember when I was in junior high, middle school, I would want one of their fanny packs so bad. Sugar didn't have the money to buy it. Sugar didn't have a job yet. But yes, they got the goods. So like I said, I have 9 bandanas here that can also double as a face mask if that's what you're trying to do. And I have one on, so it's like this green and purple and blues and oranges and yellows. Very cute. I'm just gonna open them all for you. They came in a pack of 9. So like you pick like pretty much the pattern that you like, and like they're all set patterns. So like if you see like colorways and stuff, they all come in that it's like a pack of assorted patterns and things like that. So this just happened to be the one I picked out. So we also have this one, which is like very like kind of trippy a little bit, like boom. And this is how it looks when it's not scrunched. So like I said, when you open it, you can scrunch them up like this and then wear like a headband like that, or you could wear it like this around your neck and your mouth to cover your face and your mouth because you know COVID. So that's a really cute pattern. And they're very versatile. They're very nice fabric. They're not super thin, but they're not super thick either to where if it's like a super hot day, you're going to be dying if you wear it over your nose and your mouth. So this is the second pattern. So it's like purple and blue. Very cute. The flowers, mandalas are very cute. And then this is how it looks if you scrunch it up and put it as like a headband. And like the package that I picked out, majority of the colors were like this purple and blue color. And this one is like giving me like galaxy vibes. So it looks like this, very much galaxy vibes, like into the atmosphere and things like that. And they're not expensive. They're very inexpensive, which is why I mess with them so much. They're inexpensive and the quality is very much great. Like, even with their fanny packs, quality, mom, great. I have yet to have a hydration pack from them, and I'm not sure about like how their glitter and stuff works, because I'm not really into like festival makeup, you know. But y'all know I just recently went to Lollapalooza. That was my first ever music festival, and now I'm hooked and I want to continue to go. I think this is the same one. So I got two of this one, which is okay. I might do it. Well, I already opened it, but yeah, it don't hurt to have two. But yeah, like, festivals is all about being bold and stuff like that. So definitely having some cute headbands, some cute bandana headbands. You could even like tie it around your belt loop and wear it like that if you wanted to, or you could do a lot of this. This one is really cute, very cute. But yeah, having like cute accessories is the way to go for festivals. All about being bold and being you and being unique. So yeah. And then this is how it looks when it's like scrunched up. But of course you can adjust how it looks when it's scrunched, when you put it on your head, what you want to be seen more. Then we have this one, which looks like this when it's all scrunched up on your head. And I'm showing you how it looks like when it's like in a headband form, because that's mostly how I'm going to be wearing these. I'm not going to be wearing them as like bandanas over the face or anything. I'm going to be wearing them as headbands. As you can see, when the natural hair is out, we need to get the edges concealed sometimes, because they can be looking rough. Then this one is cute. Also, these are all really cute patterns, honestly. Like, with an all black fit, or even if you want to just add a pop of color or a pop of pattern to your outfit, do what you gotta do. Super cute. And then the last one. And they all came in a package together, but they all came individually packaged within that package. Then this is the last one, which is super cute as well. And Sojourner is on Amazon, so if you don't want to go straight to their website or their Instagram, they are on Amazon. All you got to do is search Sojourner, and all of their stuff will pop up. Like I said, they're pretty much known for their fanny packs and bags and stuff like that, but they offer much more than that. So if you're not into the bandanas, headbands, festival makeup, stuff like that, the fanny packs is nice as heck, okay? Very nice, very cute. They have different styles and everything to fit your needs. They got basic ones, and then they got your extreme non-basic ones. Like, there's this holographic one that I really want. And then, like, they have hydration packs, which I want to invest in a hydration pack, because everybody had, like, those. They were everywhere at the festival. And I was like, that is smart. That's very smart. And then, yeah, so they got everything on the spectrum that you can need to get you through the festival, to get you in there, to be looking right, feeling right, and just prepared. So make sure y'all check them out. Like I said, they're on Amazon, but I will also have everything you need in the description box. So if you want to go look at them, check them out, see what they have to offer, what deals they maybe have going on, then you do that. But yes, thank you, Sojourner, for reaching out to your girl and collabing with me. I cannot wait to rock more of these headbands, you know, bandanas. Sorry, I keep calling him more of these bandanas as headbands and be out there. So, yes, that's all I have for y'all. I will see you in the next one. Bye.